Yeah. Came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
So today I learned about requests in request module in Python. Okay, so request is a library and it is one of the integral part of Python, and it is used for making HTTP requests to a specified URL. Now first, all we need to do is import requests, right? Now it has changed it into black because we have not yet used that imported module, right? Now it is used to access web scraping and all. Now there are various methods, like suppose there is a URL, there is a, like every page has a URL, right? Now suppose we want to like do some work with that URL, then there are some methods, right? Now the first method is to get is the first method. Okay, to make get request. Now suppose we want to know what is there in this page, and we want to know it through our program. Now what we will do is request dot get. Here you can see get in bracket. Now we need to give the URL. Now here I will copy the URL so that and we need to put it inside the exclamation mark. Yeah. Come on, this big. What is happening? I think it is taking time to load. I don't know why. My computer is slightly lagging. I don't know why. Let me just erase everything. Oh, now I know what was the problem. Let's just print it again, and we have to first request dot get, right? Now I think it's fine. Now here if I run, here you can see it has run, means it has completed the get, means it has brought all the required material here. Now suppose I want to know what all it has brought. Now what I will do is print. First let us give this request.ai to a variable a. Now print, come on, print a dot content. First we will go with content. We want to know what all it has brought here, right? Now run a dot content. It will take some time. Now here you can see it has printed everything that is there on this website, right? It has printed everything, all the content which is there in this website. Here you can see everything it has printed. So this is first how to get content here, right? Now I will comment it out so that it won't be problem while running other codes, right? Now there is a response object in request module. Okay, now when we make a request to a URL, it returns a response, right? Now this response is an object which has lot of functions and attributes through which we can uh, use that response. Now suppose for example, uh, if I want to know the status, like has it brought all the content properly. Now for that there is one response, a dot uh, status. I want to know the status, right? Here you can see status code, and here you can see it has written response, means it is a response. Okay, now we need to give print it, right? Then only it will run. Now if I run the program, here you can see it has printed 200, means whenever it prints number, we can know that it has completed the process properly. Now there is one more response. Suppose we want to know the URL. Now print a dot URL. Wait a minute, I don't know why it is u. Here you can see it has shown me URL. This is also a response. Now if I run, here you can see it has shown us the URL, although it is there here as well, but it is a response. Okay, now suppose we want to know, means there is one more response. Okay, print a dot text. Now what this text does, it prints all the code, all the content which is there in a Unicode. Here if I run, you will see now here you can see it has printed every content in a form of a Unicode, means how it was written, it has printed it in that way. Okay, here you can see everything. There is HTML, then there is some CSS and JS backside, everything it has printed it in form of a Unicode. That is what dot text does. Okay, it is a response. Now suppose I want to know, now let me just comment it out so that it won't be much. Now if I, there is one more response, a dot headers. Now if I run the program, here you can see it has shown all the headers of the content. Okay, it has shown us all the headers of the content. Now I think there are more responses, there are more methods in this request module, and I think that's all for today. We saw how we can access URL and how we can work with the URL and status code. We saw some responses and what responses are and what methods are. This get, you can say it is a method, and this dot status code, dot URL, dot text, dot headers are responses. That's all. Thank you.